I decided to create a simple chatbot using JavaScript and the Brain.js library. First, I create a new project folder and open it in VS Code. Inside the folder, I created the essential files, index.html and script.js. In index.html, I quickly wrote out the basic HTML5 structure. I added an input field for user messages, a send button, and a container to display the chatbot's responses. I also included the Brain.js library by pasting the library script tag into the head section. This setup gives us a quick and lightweight interface to interact with our chatbot. Next, I prepared the training data. I defined an array of objects where each object maps a simple input to an output. For example, I set up pairs like. This training data is the foundation that allows our chatbot to learn patterns from these examples. Moving on to script.js, I started by initializing the Brain.js neural network with the following line. This line creates the brain of our chatbot. After that, I pass the training data into the network using the network.train function. I set the training options to run for 2000 iterations, enabled logging to see the training progress, and set the log period to every 10 iterations. Once the training finished, a message was logged in the console stating that training is done. Then, I wrote a function called getResponse that does the following. It retrieves the user's input from the input field and converts it to lowercase. Also runs the input through the trained network using network.run userText to generate a response. And then displays the response inside the designated response container in the HTML. Here's what the function looks like. After setting up everything, I ran the project in my browser. I typed in a few greetings and questions based on the training data, and the chatbot responded accordingly. It may not be advanced as modern AI like ChatGPT, but it's a great starting point to see how a simple neural network can power a chatbot. After that, I added some styling, and this is how the chatbot looks. That's the project in short. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.